The carbon market was built to accelerate climate action. But today, buyers and project developers struggle to find the right partners, buried beneath fragmented data, evolving standards, and complex due diligence. Qatalyst Carbon is an AI-enabled climate deal-making platform that streamlines carbon project sourcing, due diligence, and evaluation, connecting the right investors to credible carbon projects. Where traditional deal origination means expensive consultants and months of manual sourcing, Qatalyst Carbon runs continuously in the background, qualifying projects, profiling investors, and surfacing matches the moment they're ready. A market that matches itself, precisely, at scale, using AI to streamline carbon project due diligence, accelerating assessments, increasing transparency, and unlocking faster climate investment transactions, connecting real projects, real communities, with real capital, moving it where it matters. AI for climate impact.
We built Qatalyst to leverage AI as a powerful enabler for the carbon market infrastructure, improving efficiency and supporting decision-making, ultimately helping direct capital to the most credible climate opportunities.
Qatalyst, connecting capital to credible climate action.